Hey everyone, John here. I'm out here flying the drone today at this site, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about how drones are really being so impactful for project management and communication at these, large scale projects here. So as we all know, there's just dozens of parties involved here, from the general contractors, the subcontractors, the investment, and even tenants. There's just a lot of parties who need to be updated constantly of what's going on at these, large scale projects. And what's really great about drones is whether it's just photos, videos for progress updates, or even, mapping the entire site, is that you can send out all this data, effortlessly to everyone involved in the project, so they can really understand what the current site conditions are without coming to visit the site, which, for some people might not be too feasible if they're kind of halfway around the country. So drones are really just benefiting so many things in construction, and project management and communication is definitely one of them.